Welcome. If you want to change lock method in your HTC Desire 20 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to go for the security and go for the screen lock. Currently we set up the simple swipe, so we can change it for the pattern. Draw your pattern, click next, and then draw it one more time. Click confirm. Right now we are able to set up the lock screen notifications, and I'm going to leave this option, and I don't want to get any notification on my lock screen, so click here on the done, and let's lock our device and check our new lock method. And here we got our pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.